Hello students, seventh exercise in lesson number 7 we are going to see now. Okay. Remplacer le nom, pronom personnel, COD, et fait la thought. Replace the direct object pronoun, do the agreement. Replace the direct object noun to the direct object pronoun, do the agreement. See the agreement. Okay. So what is the direct object pronoun? See that they are ma, te, le, la, nu, vu, le, le. For all this eight direct object pronoun, see the translation. Me, te is you, le is him or it is masculine, la is her or it feminine, nu we, us, vous you, they them masculine, they them plural feminine. Now we are getting the direct object pronoun. This replacing direct object noun. Okay. Le client a créé le problème. The customer has created the problems. Please see here. Each and every word you must see carefully. Le crayon is the subject. A créer is the verb. Ask yourself as a question. A verb créer is conjugated in which tense? Yes, it is conjugated in passé composé with avoir as the auxiliary verb. After the verb, you have les problèmes, that is your direct object noun. Now, the subject le client a créé is the verb, les problèmes is the direct object noun. The customer has created the problems. Okay. What you have to do here, this direct object noun, you have to replacing the direct object pronoun. So, the customer has created the problems will become a customer has created talks about them. Lay. Using the direct object noun, you're repeating the noun pronoun les. Okay, the customer has created them. So it is very easy. And another thing, we are changing this as a plural form. So we have to write add s at the end. So you have to see that also. It is very important. Whenever there is a direct object noun before the noun, there is an passé composé. We need to do the agreement here. At end of the past participles, it's this direct object pronoun is placed before the verb in passé composé. That pronoun is a masculine, feminine, or plural, or singular. Now, this them is pronoun is talk about the lay problem. Problem ends with es. It is a plural form. So we have to write s. And les also identification for plural form. So we can add s in the end of the past participle. That you remember. Okay. Le client les a crié. That's the reasons. The fifth l'accord. That is, you have to see the agreement. Okay, end of the past participle. So check each and every word carefully, then only it is easy. J'ai observé la structure des cellules. I have observed the structures of the cells. Je is the subject. A Observe is the verb. Was it in passé composé? What? La structure de cellule. The structure of the cells. That is the direct object noun. So you have to replacing this direct object noun as the direct object pronoun. La structure is a feminine singular and a direct object noun. And this direct object noun you have to replace. I have observed that I have observed it. Lay observing. I have observed it. Why we are adding that it is la chitu de cell. La citus de cellu is added for it. It is LA as a feminine. Okay, identification for feminine. LA only, but the next verb is starting with the vowel, so we have to add L apostrophe. Okay, LA will become a L apostrophe. Observe way is the agreement you have to see here. End of the why we are added e in the end because the direct object pronoun is talks about the feminine singular. La is identification, it is a feminine, so I added e. So see here in the previous one, pronoun should be replaced in the before the verb. That also you must be careful. Okay, before the verb you have to write the pronoun. Okay, the word is there in the sentence itself. Nous avons trouvé le restaurant. We found the houses or restaurants or residency. Trouver is the verb, le resident is the houses, that is the direct object noun. This you have to replace as a direct object pronoun. The answer will be nous les avons trouvé. So that lays is comes in front of the verb, and you have to see the agreement. Agreement is the es because it is a feminine plural. La famille a nettoyé la maison. The family has cleaned the house. The family is the subject. A nettoyer is the verb. La maison is the direct object pronoun. And the family has cleaned the house. It. La nettoyer is la again. It is L apostrophe. It, la maison is a feminine singular. It is feminine for LA. LA is become L apostrophe because the next auxiliary verb is start with vowel. And see the agreement, it is a feminine, so I added E at the end. Okay, it's very easy. Revise the video 2 or 3 times, then only it become easy, otherwise it will have a confusions. Okay, revise, see the video 2 or 3 times, then it is easy for you to understand. Okay, that's the reason feminine singular, so we are adding E at the end. Okay, the family has cleaned it. Fifth one, j'ai revu mes camarades la classe. I saw my classmates again. J is the subject. A review is the verb. Is in passé composé. Okay. I saw my classmates. Mes camarades de classe. That the camarades is adds of identified for es is a feminine plural. So I have to add les. Okay. I saw again. Je l'ai review. It's a plural form, so we are added s at the end. Okay, that is very. Again, I am saying revise the video again and again. Thank you.